Okay, so since last time I've been going crazy with foam and learning that it does not stick to vertical surfaces. I've put in, well, all the sides and the back of the kayak, and then I've put this in as well, which I just foamed in. I didn't even glue that in, but it's pretty solid. I've also foamed all the back up, so this is going to be a bit of a mess until I carve it all out. At least I hope it is, because right now it looks like a bit of a gong show. I've also managed to get myself some 3 plywood, which is just by chance almost exactly the width of the boat. I've got 4 sheets of that, so there's one in there and another 3, and I've got some old bed sheets that are going to be free, coupled with some free batteries, 12-volt server batteries. That's going to be a massive battery pack, and I am going to run the trolling motor off that. They're going to go at the front, which is going to be there. So yeah, I've got lots of free stuff, which is great. So now I'm going to take off all of the weights and re-foam this up. I've also learned that glue and foam on your hands makes a big mess. I don't know if you can see that. Let me try focusing close by. No, wrong way. Let's try again. Yeah, that's after like 2 days of scrubbing. So I've invested in some gloves, which I shall be wearing from now on. My daughter wanted to be in the video. Say hi. Hi. So today I'm gonna get all the blocks off and carve out some of the foam and re-squirt some of it, because the foam really doesn't like vertical surfaces. Right, let's find out how heavy this thing is. Some of that. Wow, that's a lot more manageable than my canoe. This side looks a lot better than the other. Right, tidy it up a bit.